So hi everyone, in today's video, I would like to talk about authentic relating. Authentic relating is about being real. So you can be in connection with someone but not be authentic, and you can be authentic and not be in connection with someone. But the beauty of authentic relating is that you can have both. At the core, it's about being implicit, explicit. It's about bringing the unconscious conscious. And it's about revealing what is hidden. So it's really about getting to know somebody at a deeper level. So the stats are great, but it's really about understanding a person, who they are. So, when we think of getting to know someone, we think that we need to know who they are, where they've been, what they've been doing, where they've traveled, where they've studied, or whether your core values are aligning with that person. So that is not really getting to know someone. So if you want to get to know someone at a deeper level, it's really about experiencing them experiencing them as they are, and about experiencing what is happening between the two of you when you go on a date. What is happening? So that is when you can get to know somebody at a deeper level. It's about how understanding how they're experiencing you, and what is really happening between the two of you in that very moment, and how you're experiencing each other. So it's really about taking the date from an interview format to a more conscious and nourishing space. It's about bringing your dates from evaluative mindset to a more experiential mindset. And that is how you can connect with somebody at a deeper level. I hope you connect with what I am saying. If you do, I would love to go on a journey with you together, and I can share my principles of authentic relating with you. Let's get on this journey together. I love you. Bye bye.